place it right here. All you need to do is press the power button to get it started. The power button's right there. And then it's going to start following the lines using the sensors on the bottom of the robot. It'll recognize these different color sequences as different commands, and you can actually draw these on a piece of paper with just markers and any regular paper. It doesn't have special ink or special markers, it's the sensors that recognize the color sequences. That was out, but that was too quick, so let's try it again. So you want to get into one of the winner circles to win a cape. If you get into one of these circles, you win a free robot. But if you end up on the red, it means you're out. So what it's doing is just using the sensors to read the line. It's randomly selecting which way to go at intersections. There's no way to control it. It's a game of chance. But if you end up on the winner circle, you get something. Alright, if it makes a left, you're in a good spot to win a robot. Oh. It's alright, you're still in it. You're still in the game. Alright, we're still good, we're still good. Straight. Okay, another chance, here we go.
Wow.
Make a left, buddy, make a left. Oh my god. It's not reading it. It doesn't, it's randomly selected not to go. Let's see what it does here. Maybe it'll want to go out of the loop. Yeah. This is a special code, a line jumping code. So you don't have to have a straight static line at every time. You can actually enter different codes to have it jump off the line and find the next line over. There we go. Your winner. You win a free cape because we didn't land on this one, but it's still something. Maybe it was a gift.